If you're looking for a good spot to walk around or ride a bike or ride a scooter, or just get out and enjoy the weather a little bit, you could do the parks, and they're pretty nice, but some of them are packed. Green Park, Hyde Park, Kensington Gardens, those are, it seems like year-round, boatloads of people there. You want a place where there's not as many people and you can still see some interesting things. I recommend the canals. Hey, look, there's Paddington Bear. The canal system goes all through England, but it's quite a few different tributaries going through London as well. And I'm up at Paddington, near Paddington Station, actually. You can see some of the longboats here. Got quite a collection of boats that people live on permanently. These right here, they've got access to shore power, so that's pretty nice to be able to just plug in. You got electricity and everything you need. Some of the ones a little further down, there's nowhere to plug in, but you can actually get your power from like solar power or things like that. But this canal system's got a great walkway on either side, and it goes for miles and miles, and you can really enjoy a day out when it's good weather. Now, along in this area, you can also find restaurants and other various things that are actually held on boats. So if you want to have a dinner on the water, you can do that. Or if you just want to take a canal boat ride, they have several of those that go from here and end up near Regent's Park. This canal also goes east-west as well, and you can go way out there if you like. I don't know if it goes all the way to the sea, but it goes a long ways. Now this area here is part of the Little Venice area of London. It's really nice. I like the way they've got it done up here. It's a good spot. Now this one's not too bad, but some of these bridges, when you go under them, if you're riding a bike or a scooter, you kind of have to duck down a little bit. This one's got a little bit better clearance on it than some of the others. There's more of the canal boats. Man, there's some nice ones over here. I think rather than talk all the way through this video, which would get very boring very quickly, I'll just cue up some music and you can sit back and enjoy the scenery. And this is the canal system near Paddington, and goes out towards Wembley. All right, here you go.